Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the Twisted Hobbies / RC Factory MXS-C, and I finally fixed the landing gear with these 3D printed things. And I've been searching for 1.5 millimeter carbon fiber rod for months, and I just can't find any in stock or with decent shipping. So I just used some steel wire. Because, yeah, I can hand launch it, but I'd rather take off the ground. So, let's see how it goes this time. Hopefully everything goes well. This plane is amazing. Okay, just look at the deflection on this thing, and this is my low rates. High rates, it's even crazier. Okay, but I'll start off in low. Let's see. Woo! Ow, oh god. Okay, that didn't go as planned. This thing should be pretty tough. Okay, the whole of Velcro and the receiver and everything else flew off. It's pretty hard to stick stuff to this. I don't know what's up with this foam. Props okay. Okay, let's see. Receiver stay in place here. I guess as long as you don't crash it. The ESC won't stay on, but you know what, I've been waiting so long to fly this, I'm gonna give it another go. Okay, I'll need to be gentle on the sticks and try to get a bit higher this time. Wow, this thing just, woo! Just wants to flip over. Okay, got a helicopter now. Oh, okay, at least it's steady. But I'm pushing full down elevator, and look at it. It's barely moving. Man, this thing is alien. I'm telling you. I don't get this. CG should be okay. I mean, the battery's as far forward as I can get it. I didn't check it, but it's the exact same setup. Same battery I've used previously. I'll have to go through it at home and probably get some better double-sided tape. But yeah, full down elevator. I try and trim it, but it might crash. Okay, if I let go of it, yeah, it just points the nose up. If I give it throttle, climbs. And this thing is so ridiculous. But you could fly this indoors, probably. If I cut that crash at the beginning, I could probably claim I'm a pro. But I'm just not doing anything. I'm just letting it do its thing. Yeah, I need to check that elevator. Maybe it's out of whack from the crash. Do I still have an elevator? Ooh. Ah, okay. Whew. That was weird. You know what? Yeah. The elevator's not moving anymore. And look, one of the wheels popped off. But this just slides in, so it shouldn't be a problem. Oh, it has some dirt on it, but yeah. Has a slot here. Okay, let's see what happened to my... Oh! Oh no, that's not a control horn. This is... Why do I have no elevator? This is moving. Ailerons. Oh, yeah. Stupid me. This popped off. I thought it was from the ESC, but it's obviously not. What? There you go. If you wanted to know, you can fly this without an elevator. And yeah, always check your planes before every flight. That's important. And these wires are pretty tight. Should I try it one more time? Am I crazy to want to try it one more time? Let's see. Okay, quick damage report. This is broken here. That's not too bad. I'll glue it back. And I'm missing a chunk out of the front. I'll go look for it. But I still want to get this thing in the air somehow. Still want to fly it for a minute or so. Trimmed in some down elevator. So here goes nothing. Let's try it again. So kids, don't try this at home, but that's the point of this. Learn stuff. Home's not that expensive. Okay. It's not bad. I'm flying now. Oop. Man, it's so touchy. I need to tone it down a bit. Or tone my fingers down. Okay, let's try a roll. Still does it. Okay, it's still flyable, so I'm happy with that. Let's try and get a landing. One that ooh, well, it was almost upside down, but I just took my eyes off it for a second to look for cars. Yeah, so, ooh, okay, now, the aileron broke off. Okay, I'm gonna need to give this some repairs, but it's a fun plane, I'll tell you that. Great to learn on. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Tell me I'm irresponsible. But I just wanted to have fun with this. Didn't go so well, but I'll fix it and we'll try next time. And I'll see you then. Bye.